This is a lizard and a bird together. There's the lizard. There's the bird. My bird doesn't really notice the lizard. My lizard is still as a statue. But my bird is crazy. This is a bird and a lizard living together. But I wonder if a bird eats worms. Of course a bird eats worms, but these are special worms. Oh, my bird wanted to come to me, but my lizard's, my dragon's bedding is made out of bird seed. So my bird is just eating my lizard's bedding. So he'll just stay there. Let's see how many... Oh crap. That's how many worms I have. I feed those to my lizard every day. My lizard just doesn't know what to make out of this thing in his house. He's like, get out of here, you bird. My bird's like, nah, I'll just eat your bedding, so I'm eating your poo. This is my lizard and my bird living together.